Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great and you're all keeping yourself safe. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this purse from Pinterest. So let's get into the video. So I started off with two fabrics that were 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches. These are two square fabrics. And then I folded them 2 times like that. And then I went on to the corner. Then I started to mark about 8.5 inches, just going in a circular motion like that. Then I drew a line with the chalk and cut it out with the scissors. So when I open it up, I have 2 round pieces of fabric that look like that. Then I also cut 2 pieces of my lining. I used polycotton for the lining. Then I also cut interfacing. I used the heavy interfacing and I cut 2 pieces of that as well. Then I went on to iron my interfacing onto the round pieces of the fabric. After that, I now place the fabrics right sides facing each other. I place the polycotton on top of the printed fabric and then I put pins right round. Then I went on to sew the edges. I did this for both pieces, then I turned them inside out. And then I went on to press the seams flat. I also fold in and iron the edges of the opening that I used to turn it inside out. So to prepare the piece that makes the side and the bottom of the bag, I measured 34 inches by 5 inches of jute. I used jute fabric for this, and then I also cut the same equal piece of polycotton for the inside lining. Then I placed the fabrics right sides facing each other, then I stitched right round, and I left a small gap which I was going to use to turn it inside out. Then I snipped off the corners, and then I turned the little fabric strip inside out, and then I pressed it flat. Then I now attached that other piece onto the two round pieces. Then I just put pins . And then I went on to stitch that on the sewing machine. Then I attached the other round piece on the other side, and I stitched it on as well. So at this point the body of the bag is almost complete. Then I just used, because I was working with jute fabric, it sheds a lot, so I just took my lint roller brush and just removed some of that. Then I turned the bag inside out. Then I now went on to prepare my handles. My handles were 29 inches by 4 inches. then I started folding the edges inside and ironing. Then I went on to stitch my handles on the sewing machine. Then I attached the handles onto the bag. So I just used a seam ripper to make little openings. Then I would insert the handle. Then I went on to stitch the handles on the sewing machine. It's a very simple and straightforward DIY. It takes very little time and I really enjoyed making this DIY. So if you also like it, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you get notifications when I post new video DIYs like this. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye.